Would you like some more yogurt? You're very clever. But would you actually like some yogurt? Let Mum try, hey? She's going to try and video you and give you yogurt at the same time. Here we go. Here it comes. Yum. What do you think of that? Do you like that? Want more? Okay. Yum yum. This is your first experience with yogurt. It's good for blowing raspberries with, isn't it? Alright. You're a delightful child, aren't you? Yum! Yum yum! Yum! Here you go, some more. Yum! No, fingers out, fingers out. Looks like you're going to need a bath anyway, doesn't it? Yum! Alright, we'll press pause now.